Miss,
Morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Miss, am I late?
No, she just started it.
Teacher. Bruh.
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
Hi, Miss.
Hi all.
Good morning,
Hi,
Miss.
Miss.
Good morning, my
Miss
beautiful.
Fatin.
Good morning,
Morning, Miss.
class.
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
Hi, Miss. Good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine.
Good. What are we gonna do today?
It's the same lesson. We're gonna talk about insects, about also ants, which are the social insects.
We're the
And
same video as last time,
yes,
right?
that's right, that's right. For next week, you'll have a worksheet, and next week you have a quiz.
That file probably.
I can like just every day what
Every day, bro.
no, it's not a problem.
Okay, I think we should start now.
Hi, Miss Fatin.
Hi all.
Yes.
So you know that scientists classified animals into two large groups, which are vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone, spine, or vertebral column, while invertebrates do not have a backbone. Vertebrates are classified into five groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Today we will talk about invertebrates. As you can see in the slide in front of you, there are many examples of invertebrates: the crab, the cockroach, the sea star, the snail, the worm, and shrimps are invertebrates. Invertebrates have subgroups, so they are also classified into different groups: mollusks, insects, worms, and sponges. Today's lesson is about insects. Yalla, I'm not gonna unmute you. You can unmute yourselves and answer my questions. How many sections is the body of an insect divided into? How many body parts do insects have?
Three. Three.
Three. What are these three parts?
Three.
Head, thorax, abdomen.
Perfect. So
And
insects have a head, they have a thorax, and they have an abdomen. How many legs do insects have?
6.
And Anthony.
On every side. On every side.
Three
Perfect.
are connected to the thorax.
And they are connected to
Three
the
on every
thorax.
side.
Perfect. Bravo. Insects have 6 legs connected to the thorax. What do they have on their head?
Antenna to smell and find food.
Excellent.
Antenna
On their head, they have 2 antennae that help them to smell and to find food.
Miss Zoom user.
So the antennae found on the insect's head help them to smell and to find food. Do insects have bones? Do they have bones?
No, they have exoskeleton.
Excellent job. Insects do not have bones, but they have an exoskeleton. They have an exoskeleton that protects them.
When you
It is a hard covering
like
that
crash them in your crocs, Miss, when you crack them in your crocs, you hear the exoskeleton like break.
That's right, bravo ya Habab. So the exoskeleton protects the insect's body. Do insects have wings?
Yes, some of them.
Yes,
Some
yes.
of the
The
insects.
bees. Not all of them. Some of
Bees, dragonflies. So look.
them.
Okay.
Bee.
Dragonfly, mosquito, and bees have 2 or 4 wings. Which kind of eyes do insects
Don't
have?
remember this.
Compound eyes. Compound eyes.
Insects have compound eyes. Okay?
Compound eyes.
And so,
Compound eyes.
grade 4. You are wearing clothes.
Yeah.
Do your clothes
Yes.
grow when you grow, or you will need new clothes soon?
No, we need new clothes.
So
We
this
need a
is
new
what
clothes.
happens- This is what happens with the insects. When the insects grow, their
They
exoskeleton
change the
strong.
exoskeleton.
برافو يا غدير.
When their body grows, they change their exoskeleton. They grow a new one.
I want
Excellent job.
to tell you something. Yesterday, I did this. Good morning. Like this insect that is taking her body off.
Really? Bravo.
It sheds it.
It sheds
I
it.
see
Bravo يا
yesterday.
Lama. Did you hear what Lama said? Lama said
They should
shedding. Shedding. They shed their exoskeleton. Here is the old exoskeleton. Here is the old exoskeleton. When the insects grow, they will need a
I
new
see it on the
exoskeleton.
zone.
This is what we call
Like us.
this is what we call molting. Molting. Molting is shedding the exoskeleton.
Exoskeleton.
Molting is when the insects shed their
Sorry,
exoskeleton.
the internet was bad.
يلا يا أبطال. Are insects oviparous or viviparous?
Oviparous.
Oviparous.
Oviparous. Oviparous.
Insects
Okay.
are
Egg,
insects
larva,
are oviparous.
and others. Egg,
Larva.
adult.
Egg, larva,
Pupa.
pupa, adult. أول شيء, the insects, first of all, the insects lay eggs on the plant's leaves. They lay eggs on the plant's leaves. Then a larva
It became
hatches of these eggs, of an egg. The larva grows into a pupa. The pupa
pupa.
grows into an adult. All about
Like the
insects. The ladybug.
butterfly.
The ladybug is an insect with a head, thorax, and abdomen. It is
Thorax
an
and-
insect, so it has 6 legs connected to the thorax. It has 2 antennae on its head. It has an exoskeleton protecting its body, and it has compound eyes. Insects are oviparous, like you said, since they lay eggs. A larva hatches from the egg. The larva
Egg,
becomes
larva,
Egg, larva, pupa, adult ladybug.
cold-blooded ولا warm-blooded?
and ladybug. Cold-blooded.
Adult ladybug and
Cold-blooded.
larva pupa adult.
يلا يا Bella. Bella, listen to me. Bella, what are the 4 stages of life of an insect?
Yes.
Can't hear you well, raise your voice.
What are the 4 stages
I know,
of life
teacher.
of an insect?
I know.
I'm talking with Bella, please.
know.
Calm down. No. It's Bella's turn. يلا يا Bella. What are the 4
If
stages
you want to
of life of an insect?
The
يلا يا زهراء سليمان. Can you help Bella? What are the 4 stages of life of an insect?
Egg doubled.
So I know that.
I know. Teacher, please.
Miss, I know.
I know. You don't know that? I just.
Okay, I will count till 5. I'm not happy this way. I'll count
Ah.
till 5. You should all be muted. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you. So Zahra Sulaiman was saying the answer. Yes, yeah, Zahra, you said egg, larva, then
And pupa
pupa, and
uh,
adult. Bravo, ya Zahra. Excellent job. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. Bravo. Yalla ya Bella. Repeat. What are the 4 stages of life
adult.
of an insect?
Hello. Pupa.
Egg, larva, pupa, and
Egg. Larva.
Adult.
Pupa and adult.
adult. Thank you. Bravo. Yalla Salma Abdullah. Salma, what are the 4 stages of life of an insect?
Egg. Egg. Larva.
Pupa and
Pupa. Adult.
excellent, ya Salma. Bravo. Yalla ya Bayan. Where is Bayan? Is Bayan here? Okay, she's not here. Joel. Good morning, Joel. What are the 4 stages of life of an insect?
Egg, larva, pupa, and adult.
Thank you so much. Ali Safiaddin. What are the 4 stages of life of an insect?
Egg. Larva. Pupa and adult.
Excellent. Fadl. Fadl, what are the 4 stages of life of an insect? Is Fadl asleep? Fadl, good morning. What are the 4 stages of life of an insect? Lama.
Miss.
Yes, ya Fadl. So Fadl is here. What are the 4 stages
Yes.
of life of an insect?
Egg, larva, pupa, adult.
Bravo. شو يا فضل? What are the 4 stages of life of an insect? Is this Lama or Fadl who talked?
Lama
Lama.
just talked, but
Lama,
Fadl.
Yes, Fadl didn't
Lama.
speak. Yes, it's okay. Ibrahim,
Yes,
good morning.
Fadl said yes.
Yeah. Mute. I'll count till 5. You should all be muted. When I call your name, you can answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Okay? This is a grasshopper. It is an insect. Let's start labeling this insect's body. Rev. Rev.
Yes.
What is this?
Head.
This is the head. Thank you, Yarev. This is the first part of the insect's body, which is the head. Yala Abbas. Abbas, what about
Yes.
this part?
Thorax.
It's the thorax. Thank you. Ali Basma. Ali Basma, we're talking about the last part of this insect's body. What is this?
Abdomen.
It's the abdomen.
Abdomen.
Thank you. It is the abdomen. Noor. Yalla ya Noor. Noor, we're talking about these. Sorry.
Yes.
What are these?
Yes, miss. Which?
In orange. connected to the thorax. What are these? Insects have 3 of them on each side. So 6 in total. شو يا نور؟
Teacher, can I help her?
What are these يا نور? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so what are these? 1, 2, 3. And from the other side, and the 1, 2, 3. So 6 in total. What are these? Easy.
Teacher, can I say it?
No. Mia. Mia, help me and
Yes.
help me and Noor. What are these?
Which ones?
In orange.
The
Legs. Thank you. Bravo ya Mia. These
Legs?
are the legs of the grasshopper. Ali Burji. يلا يا علي. This and this on the grasshopper's head. What are these? What did you say?
antenna.
Antenna. Antenna.
Antenna.
Thank you. برافو يا علي. يلا يا سلمى طيبة. سلمى طيبة.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for the questions down. How many body sections do insects have يا سلمى?
3.
3 sections. Thank you. Talia Hmaidan. They have 3 sections. Insects use their
Yes.
antennae for. What do insects use their antennae, يا Talia?
Miss Wait.
Rev will help us with this also.
Miss, can I help
Since
you?
there
Miss?
are 2 functions for the antennae. Yalla, Rev and Talia.
Smell and find food.
For smelling, bravo.
To smell and find food.
For smelling and finding food. Thank you. Ali Saleh. Yalla ya Ali.
Yes.
How many legs do insects have? How many legs يا علي do insects?
2.
They have 2 legs. يعني الآن and the 2 legs like us to walk?
No, 4.
No, more than this. Insects have
Yes, I know.
يلا you still
Can I
have
help?
1 chance
Can
يا
I
علي.
help Ali Saleh?
No, he knows the answer. 1 chance يا علي.
6.
They have 6 legs. Bravo. I told you he knows the answer. Bravo يا علي. Insects have 6 legs. Bayan. Insects don't have bones. They have a hard covering called what? What covers them? I can't hear you. What did you say?
Covers them. They are covered with three sections.
Miss, can I help her?
No. You got your chance يا عباس.
Can I write the answer in the chats?
Ibrahim and Bayan, this question is for you. What covers the insect. Or the
Did she said
animal
can she write it in the chat?
that you can. بس I can hear you يا بيان أصلا.
Mr. Answer is exoskeleton.
Exoskeleton. Thank you so much. Bravo يا إبراهيم. They have an exoskeleton. Bravo. So Bayan was saying they have 3 sections. Excellent. And these 3 sections, like Ibrahim said, are covered with an exoskeleton, which is the hard covering. كمان flies, هن insects. The flies are insects. Tala. Tala, what do we call this part? Tala. Okay. Maryam.
Yes.
What
Can
do we
I
call
do?
this part, ya Maryam? Maryam, what do we call this part of the fly's body?
Yeah.
طيب. Hassan Zalgout, please don't send me anything in the chat. While sharing the screen, I cannot
Can
check.
I say?
I will give the chance for
Yes.
you to not participate.
Thorax.
Habibete, it's your friend's turn. You cannot
Yes.
participate since not all of them participated, okay? So I was talking with Maryam. Maryam, do you know the answer? Which part of the fly's body is
Thorax.
thorax? Thank you, Maryam. Good job. This is the thorax. Bravo. Mahdi. Mahdi? Mahdi, what is this?
Yes. Leg.
Leg. Bravo يا Mahdi. This is the leg. صح. علي برجي.
Teacher.
علي
You
برجي.
say that. Teacher.
Which
Yes,
part
miss.
is this يا علي?
Question.
Wait a second. Let us finish just this, yeah?
That's the abdomen.
Abdomen. Thank
That's
you.
the abdomen.
Who still did not participate? Noor.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay. Which kind of eyes do insects have?
Big eyes.
Big. What do we call them? I'm talking with all of you now. You can unmute yourselves. Which kind of eyes do insects have? They have compound eyes. Bravo.
Yes.
Compound eyes. Compound eyes.
Compound eyes.
Okay. What are these?
Wings.
Wings. These are wings. طيب. Are insects cold-blooded or warm-blooded? Bravo. They breathe with holes.
They breathe with
holes on their side.
and
So they have holes on
on
the
the
sides of their body to breathe with. What are the 4 stages of life of an insect? برافو. طيب.
Sorry, the delivery came.
So, some insects live together. Some insects are social. They cannot live by themselves. So they live in communities. They live in colonies. They depend on each other and they help each other, like the ants. Ants are called social insects since they live together. This is me standing in front of an ant colony. And if you watch this video, you will see different kinds of ants living together. In a colony, the colony is divided into many rooms.
Miss, how did you know that the ants are gonna be there?
You can see them. If you look close, you can see different kinds of ants. And this thing is known
Miss
as
Seven,
an ant colony. In an ant colony, you
in
will
Africa,
find
one bit me.
queen. In an ant colony, طيب أنا عندي 11 people raising their hands. أول شيء Rav had a question. Rav, I'm sorry for forgetting. What's your question, يا Rav?
Teacher, you said that the insects have 6 legs, but the fly that we solved the question about it has only 4 legs. Why?
No, it has, okay. Let me share it again with you. It should have at least 6 legs. So look.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
Oh, sometimes they're under
2. 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many legs?
Some of them 6.
Miss, in
Some of
Africa,
them are
one
under the...
ant bit me in Africa.
6 legs.
Some of them
Under the wings.
طيب.
Miss,
In
in
an
Africa,
ant
ant bit me.
colony, there is one queen. The queen is the biggest ant. It is the biggest one, and it has wings. The queen flies to find a male. It marries the male. Then it loses its wings and it goes for a place to build its colony. It loses its wings and start laying eggs. The male, which is the drone, has wings and its job is to mate with a queen, but it dies after a few times after mating the queen. The worker is a male, it has no wings and it has many functions. It is the one that cares for the colony. It keeps the colony clean and healthy. Workers have no wings, they cannot lay eggs. Their job is to build new rooms in the colony, to take care of the young, to bring food, to guard the nest, blah, blah, blah. Let us do this. Yeah. Inside an ant colony, there are 3 types of ants. Inside the colony, there are 3 types of ants. What are these 3 types?
Yes, miss.
I know. The queen.
Drone worker queen. Drone worker.
Bravo.
Workers.
Work. Yeah. queen,
Worker.
drone,
the male
and workers. The queen, male ولا female? The queen,
female.
male ولا female?
Female.
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 اللي drone.
Male. Male. Male.
Male is the drone.
Male.
And the worker
Workers
is
are
female.
female.
Workers are female. Male. Workers female.
يلا wings
Female.
with wings ولا without wings? With wings ولا without
Without
wings?
wings.
The queen.
Without wings. With wings.
With wings.
The drone.
Wings.
With wings.
With wings.
Without wings. With wings.
Workers.
Without
Wings.
Without wings. The drone without wings. Sit like a ghost, like that.
Okay.
Do everything.
So yes,
The
يا
workers
بنات.
do everything
Female.
you need, and the male just
Female.
do nothing.
No,
They're
no,
lazy.
no, no, Abbas, I still didn't ask.
Male.
I still did not ask. There is no picture. I'm sharing the white screen. Let me stop sharing it. Then I will share it again. So, the queen ant has wings. The drone has wings. The worker
Yeah.
does not have wings. Let's
Yeah.
talk about their job. Yeah. What does the queen do?
Lay eggs. Lay eggs. To like eggs.
Laying eggs.
Laying eggs.
The drone.
Miss Ali Saleh cannot
The drone only
work.
male and queen then die.
Okay. Mating
Miss
with the queen. I know, ya
Ali
Abbas.
Saleh can see the white screen.
A queen.
And marry it then die.
What about the worker?
Meeting with queen.
Work?
Yalla, what about the worker? And I'm talking with all of you. You can give me the answer. I'm listening to all of your answers.
Workers take care of their babies, make new rooms, and get food.
Okay, what the color?
Caring for colony.
Rooms, making new
Building
rooms,
new rooms. And
caring for the baby,
for the baby.
and they get food.
Caring for the young.
Caring for the colony, building new rooms.
Can I see?
Yes, I'm listening. I can hear all of you.
Care the egg.
Caring for the eggs, صح? Caring for the okay, eggs, young, queen. That's right. What else? Defend.
When the queen doesn't die,
Enlarge the nest. Enlarge the
Defending
nest.
the colony. They protect the colony.
Miss, the queen doesn't die.
You asked a very clever question. Yeah. Cleaning the nest.
The queen dies, yeah.
Teacher?
Okay.
The
So
queen dies.
Talal,
The queen
look
dies.
right here. Look. The queen and the one job. The queen has one job.
Lay eggs.
The drone عنده one job. But the workers are the heroes. They have lots of things to do. How do
Teacher.
ants
Teacher, I have a question.
جماعة, how do ants
Miss
breathe?
Button?
How do ants breathe?
With the holes.
With the holes on the sides.
Breathe.
With the holes.
Yeah, holes on sides. How many stomachs do they have?
2.
1, 2.
They have 2 stomachs. One for them to eat and the other one to bring.
One for them to gather food.
That's right. Bravo يا Mia. And one for them for gathering food. And هلا بنحكي how do they communicate.
Miss,
عباس
I think
So I have the questions.
Abbas asked, does the queen die? Yes, the queen dies. And when a queen dies, the whole colony will die. A day
So I
before
have a question.
The whole colony.
1,000
and there'll be a new colony.
they in a colony في عندنا
Teacher, why all ants die
And
when
why?
the queen
لما
dies?
the queen dies, the whole
Miss, I just want to say bye
will
because
die after a while.
now the stuff.
Yes, Yarev, what's your question?
So I have
Bye bye, Miss. I hope
Teacher,
we can do it.
why,
the first
I
one.
said
why
Why
do
do they die?
all of the ants die?
Why do they die?
Teacher, I want to
Teacher, the queen are workers or drones or queens also.
the queen are queens. الqueen هي بتكون وحدة in a colony. It is the one that lays eggs.
teacher,
And وما تنسوا إنه الqueen after mating with
Teacher,
It
why,
loses its wings and lay eggs.
bravo. After mating with the drone, it loses its wings.
teacher, why when the queen dies, all of
Loses
the
its wings and lays eggs.
After mating with a queen, the drone die after a while. The last
I
thing
just
will
will die
after questions.
I just want to say bye because
The queen eggs are
هون the ants
teacher, why when the queen dies, all of the
they lay eggs. جماعة, listen to me 1 second just. The ants lay eggs. A larva hatches out of an egg. It grows into a pupa. The pupa حيصير أو worker أو drone أو queen. Ants live together, so they need to talk with each other. Ants live together, so they need to talk with each other. How do they talk? They rub their antennae against each other, so by touch communication.
Together and they talk.
Or they release kinds of perfumes, kinds of chemicals يلي هن اسمهم pheromones.
Yeah.
So when an ant finds food مثلا, it releases pheromones and then its friends will smell the pheromones and come. أو تنقول the colony is in danger. An ant releases pheromone to tell its friend that we are in danger. Come for help. Okay. And
teacher,
that's it.
but why
يلا عندكم بعد 1 minute for the questions.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, can I ask you something?
I want to tell you
يلا يا
question.
سلمى طيبة. سلمى طيبة turn. What's your question يا سلمى?
Why do we call like the pupa instead of cocoon?
لأنه the
they-
pupa
Like, why
makes
do they call the pupa? Why does it look?
لأنه the pupa makes a cocoon around
Miss, can I
itself.
tell you? Okay.
Teacher, can I tell you
Miss, Miss,
Yes, yes,
by
Zahra.
what?
Zahra,
can we
what-
leave? I want to see. Miss, I wanted to say, but the Zoom is gonna end by itself.
Yes, I
Leave
know.
though? Can we
Zahra,
leave
what's
you?
your question?
why when the queen die and the ants all of it die? Why?
Because after a while, there is no one to make eggs, and in a while, in few
Eggs?
time, the colony
Sure.
will
Make
die.
babies.
There is no one to
The
care
insect
for.
waste by what?
What?
The insect